Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix Forms. Want to limit the number of submissions for a certain form? Here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to the form you want to work on and then click on it. Then click on Edit Form. Here, go to the Settings tab and scroll down to the Form Status section. Make sure that Limit Submissions is enabled and indicate your submissions limit over here. Also, input the message you want to displayed here once the limit is reached. Once the limit is reached, this will be the message that your site visitors will see. Once you're done, click on Save and then close this window. On the editor, click on Save again to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again in order to publish the changes you've made onto your live site as well. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful somehow. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.